guys, what's up? I'm doing another video. It's Ben here. And today we're gonna do some stuff here on the camera. And you guys could see to take a look at this one thing. Yes. The fancy look. Yeah. That's the only problem. Because I don't like fence getting broken. I mean, I feel bad for the people who live there, but I don't know why. Oh, we'll get into it. Hey, what? Oh, what? What?
Pieces for dessert?
Yeah. Okay, let's look at the tornado we had. We literally just had a tornado. I don't know. I like doing this a lot. Okay. So, some fun. We can defend. Oh, I'm outside.
Quit pushing on the door, Ben.
This is dessert.
That's what no yells at me.
Paw Patrol, when you're in the level.
Ben, stop. Ben. Ben,
What? I wasn't recording you.
record people
See?
without permission.
I was recording. I did that. Weird. So. Look. I'm gonna go check this out soon with you guys. Mom? Mom? I'm going outside. I'm taking your phone. Okay. Let's go. I might be playing with Cat.
Now, where are your new tennis shoes?
Cat. I'm gonna go play with the neighbors. Alright, guys, so. Let's check out the fence down there. I don't know what it has to it. I'm gonna get on these ugly shoes. Just so I don't know what. Sorry on my arm. Okay. So let's get out. It looks creepy. Right. We just literally had a tornado watch. It was bad. I don't know why I'm doing that. Sorry if I'm doing this. Because the camera's like right there. And I keep forgetting. I think right here. So, check out my other channel, Ravening. And you should be good with it. No, here it is. The fence literally broke. Like, literally. Good thing they can easily fix that. But how to get out with these nails here? That branch must have been strong. It's this branch. Wait, let me feel. Okay, that is real strong. Sorry about that to train. Gosh. Okay, now that is crazy. Like, literally. Just look at this. And it's long. Oh gosh. I can ask for a raindrop. You can tell it rained badly. And a piece of white wood that's filled inside. Not that good. But I want to get this out the road. So no one, because I could tell a car drove through here. If somebody could have cleared it. Because when this fell, it was like in the road. Like seriously, in. Yeah, it was like seriously in there. If I read it. Like seriously. It wasn't. By the way, if you're wondering this is broken, it's not broken. Just to mention. Okay, so here's our house. Here's our house. Okay, so let's actually stop that. Like I said, I love doing